Greg's. Morning, pal.
He's waiting for his breakfast. Sorry, kind of talks about in the little green that, you know, run about that, you know.
Good morning. Today we're off on the train to Portsmouth, or should I say trains, and we're kind of hoping this is going to be a boring wee video because that'll mean that we've made our tight connection in London, but at least we just got small bags with us because, as we all know, there's nothing worse than a trolley case on the underground. Let's go. You ready for it?
I'm ready for it.
Cheers.
Cheers. We're so good with packing. Look at my bag.
I know. We're away for about 10 days.
Yeah. It's a small bag, by the way. It looks bigger in a camera.
We're having to do something very unfamiliar and walk up the platform because we're in first class today.
Hey, but why our train is going the other way? Uh-oh.
I've never been this far up the platform.
I didn't even know the platform is that long.
Aye, good point. Me neither. Here we are, Coach L, first class.
Ooh, look at you in the first class.
Hey, look at you in the first class.
With your Greg's cup.
It'll be an experience for us all.
Is Aberdeen the last station?
Yes.
Cool.
You always have to change there if you're going on to Inverness. And here's our LNER now, bang on time.
We are now at Montrose. Welcome on board this LNER Azuma to London King's Cross.
3 and 4 we're looking for. We've come on at the wrong side. 3 and 4, that's us. Got the big table. Hey look, there's a headdress missing.
Oh.
We'll nick one from somewhere else. Stolen. Well, we've paid for it. A few people with colds on this train.
This LNER Azuma to London King's Cross.
And we're going all the way today.
The next station will be Arbroath.
If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to our onboard team or text British Transport Police on 61016. We'll sort it. See it, say it, sort it.
Hi.
That is very comfortable.
Nice big table.
Any Montrose passengers?
Yes, hi.
What are you having for your breakfast?
What are you having?
I'll have sausage roll, I think.
It's big brown or red sauce?
Brown sauce, please.
You never told me there's breakfast.
I wasn't really sure because it kind of varies from service to service.
Oh.
So we'll take it as a bonus. The light this morning is gorgeous. Thank you so much.
I just watched your Switzerland videos.
Oh, that was such a good trip, seriously. Breakfast is served. Waffles, good choice.
You're very conservative with your choice.
A vegan sausage roll. I don't mind vegan sausages, I'll be honest.
Sometimes they say the vegan sausages taste better than normal sausages.
Yeah, I'd believe that. Breakfast with a view. Brown sauce. Let me know in the comments if this is what you'd have as well. I must admit I've had a few horrendous journeys on LNER recently in standard class, and that's just on the little 2-hour hop down to Edinburgh. And it's because the trains are so busy, so it's not a bad thing for LNER, I guess. But for us, for a longer journey, I just felt we should really go first class because we're going all the way to London. That's alright. Yes, we swapped breakfast because someone panicked and ordered the sweet thing by mistake.
I should go with
Thank
the
you for
oats.
travelling with LNER.
But it's fine. I think these are lovely. That's it, breakfast polished by Arbroath. Got a long way to go. Do you think this means we get lunch as well? Here's me thinking about lunch already. I was looking at this, look. Punchy everyday hydration drink. And just like that, there's our punchies. Mango flavour today. Never seen them before. So much liquid already. We'll be making a trip to the toilet soon.
You will like it.
Oh no, you don't.
No, it's...
Interesting.
It is interesting. It's refreshing.
Oh, that's nice. And the guy was saying you can get them on Amazon. We've got raindrops. on a very slow section of track.
We apologise. This train is being held at a red signal. Please listen for further announcements while we try to determine the cause.
We can't be late today. A very tight connection.
Do we?
Ish, yeah. Amazing how quick the weather changes, eh? Sunniest city in Scotland.
Not today. What are you scribbling?
I am researching our Portsmouth vlog, because that's the one coming next on the channel. Must be Edinburgh.
Ladies and gentlemen, we'll shortly be arriving into Edinburgh Waverley. On behalf of LNER, we'd like to thank you for travelling with us today and hope that we see you again in the very near future. That's Edinburgh Waverley, your next stop in a few moments' time. Thank you.
See it, say it, sorted.
Good morning, welcome passengers. We got the service on Edinburgh through 10:30. LNER service,
Wow, these are so good. White chocolate and raspberry.
Can I try? Oh, they are good.
Berwick upon Tweed. Look at that. There's a nice wee Berwick sign over there as well.
We are now at Berwick upon Tweed.
We seem to have sped up a bit now. Such a nice way to travel, isn't it?
It's lovely. I could take this train every day. It's great. They feed you. Oh, I'm going to the bathroom.
Oh, take the camera.
Okay. Where is it? Oh, there's more first class. Okay. We'll wait. Okay, let's go in. This is the plan, so we won't get lost. Sink, toilet, and door. We can do it.
Please lock the door. The door is now locked.
Looks like toilet to me. Not much to talk about. Not drinking water. Soap, dryer. I always have this horrible feeling that I didn't lock the door and somebody will walk in. I would say this is a typical toilet in a train. It's not working. There's water. Sorry.
Hello.
I'm
What
back.
you got?
That was good.
What, the toilet or the review? Why is my tripod wet?
It was a drama of water. I couldn't make it.
We've just past Morpeth now, so not long till we're in Newcastle and we'll be placing our lunch order. she's studying hard, and I'm studying the menu. This is not the best side to be on as you cross the Tyne. The bridges are all the other way, but there's a train in the way anyway.
To join service at Newcastle, this is your 11:58 LNER service to Darlington, York, and London King's Cross Street tram on time 14:48. Once the cabin crew are ready to serve.
Wherever I'm sitting, I always make a mess.
They feed us really well here.
It's incredible, they never stop.
Everything. I know.
They're just coming around all the time.
I'm being healthy, I have a salad.
Looks very nice.
It does. Oh no, it's the other way.
Oh, I think you'll enjoy that.
Yes, I will. I'll wait for you.
Where's this? Oh, Darlington. Nice station. This is getting out of hand though. Alright, mine has arrived. We can finally start eating. Thanks for waiting for me.
No problemo.
What's mine called?
Chicken, Spanish chicken.
Spanish chicken, Spanish chicken, parsnip fritter salad, parsnip fritter salad. Smashniggle. Oh, that is lovely. Want to try it? It's hot. Take one. This is the way to travel, eh? Alfonso, mango and passion fruit pot. I think this is going to be good.
It's good, but it's strange. It's a bit like a yogurt, but a bit like custard.
It's a dessert, of course I love it.
It's just interesting texture. I can't tell you what it is. If I have my eyes closed and you ask me, I'm like, I don't know, I can't tell you.
And don't worry, I've got my own one as well, but when someone offers you a taste of theirs, you take it. A nice view. That's the best view. Cheers, folks.
It's a beer.
Goodbye seats. That was a pleasure.
That was good. Picture.
And we have gone from there all the way to London King's Cross. And we're only going to be a couple of minutes late. We should still make our connection, but even if we don't, we just get the next one. It's just fake drama for the video.
I had so much food, I'm sleeping. And
Yeah,
I'm
me too,
heavy.
me too.
It'd be good to stretch legs.
I regret the beer.
Nice.
You win. It's very dark, it's not even 3 PM. We shouldn't have to go outside though. Welcome to London. Right, we're looking for the underground. Which way? Maybe we do need to go outside. That'll be fun. One for you.
Thanks.
Absolutely chucking it, Dune. Victoria line.
Oh good, the lady's guiding us.
No service between Wimbledon and...
I'm glad you're here.
I'm glad you're here. There seem to be a lot of delays and cancellations on the underground today, but fingers crossed the Victoria line is fine. How comfy was the journey down from Montrose, by the way? Incredible. I could have stayed in that train for at least another 3 hours.
How are your legs?
Absolutely fine.
I think it's because legroom was so much bigger for you.
And the amount of food and drink.
Oh, that was too much.
We had to just keep turning them down. Victoria. Hey, well done.
Exit here for the British Library.
It's roasting.
Step 3 access with severe delay due to point failure. The next station is London Road and National Rail.
This isn't first class.
Alternative route.
What?
District Line, National Rail Services, where King's Cross and Backroad is operating. This is Victoria.
Mind the gap, please.
Please stand behind the yellow line.
Well, that was all very easy. We're not there yet, Steve. National Rail.
Which way is it?
Please keep your belongings safe. Pickpockets operate at this station.
No. Don't get lost, don't follow the wrong girl.
I know. Canvas bag and pink bag. It's exactly the same. Right, one for you.
You go first now.
One for me.
Go, go, go. Go in.
I was so worried in case it didn't give us our ticket back. We need those. Right. National Rail. Well, it was good to be in London for 20 minutes.
Yeah, it was good. Always good to be in London, even if just for 20 minutes. A bit quieter here.
I'm so glad we're going on a train, because London Victoria, you normally think the bus station.
Oh, okay.
It's horrible.
Is that the one I was on?
Yes.
Yes, I remember.
Right, so we're on the 1535. There are trains getting cancelled, I don't know what for, and ours is one of those ones that splits, so we need to be on the front 4 carriages. Food, toilet, LNER I've looked after as well. We've even got time for souvenirs. By the way, if your ticket's got that little symbol, it means you can use the underground. It's good to know. Right, we're going this way. 16. One for you. Oh, that's weird. Thank you. 16, 16. 16. Platforms 9 to 19. What? Aye, we went the wrong way. You can tell we're from Montrose. Provincial townies. Thanks, mate. No questions asked. Let's just double check this. So, front 4 coaches. Front 4. I hate trains that split. Oof. There better be a first class carriage in this train.
I think we'll be standing for the 2 hours.
I think so. The tiniest first class cabin. And it doesn't look very first class. I think we'll just sit anywhere. That'll do the job. So it's back down to earth with a bang.
This train calls at Clapham Junction, East Croydon, Gatwick Airport, Three Bridges, Crawley and Horsham, where the train will divide. Coaches 1, 2, 4 will continue to Portsmouth Harbour. Please ensure you are travelling in the correct part of the train.
I might just put headphones in and just zoom out.
I think I'll do the same.
Welcome aboard the Southern Service to Portsmouth Harbour. This is coach number 1 of 8.
I love how the only difference between standard and first class is a wee bit of material over your seat.
What were you expecting? 3 drinks? Dinner?
Yes.
Foot massage?
On arrival at Horsham this afternoon, this train will divide. Once this service is divided, the front 4 coaches will form your Southern service through to Portsmouth Harbour, and the rear 4 coaches, numbered 5, 6, 7 and 8, will form your Southern service through to Bognor Regis. From Horsham, the Portsmouth Harbour section will go on to call at Barnham, Chichester, Southbourne, Emsworth, Havant. If you are leaving us here, please do mind the gap when alighting, and be sure to take all your personal items with you. Thank you.
Welcome aboard the Southern Service to Portsmouth Harbour and Bognor Regis. The next station is Gatwick Airport. Welcome aboard the Southern Service to Portsmouth Harbour.
Are you ready to jump off?
We've got a few more stations yet.
Really?
Yeah. Next station is Havant. We'll go all the way around there and all the way down there to the sea.
Were we delayed?
A wee bit, yeah, we should have been getting off now. We're almost there.
I think it's the lack of oxygen in this one.
We're so near yet so far. Don't know what's going on here. So we've still got a signal fault. People are asking, do you know how long it'll be? They've got no idea. Today started so well.
We're almost there, we should just walk.
Yeah, that's all we've got to do. Still haven't worked out how to use a seat, have you?
I'm just jealous, because your legs are too long to do.
Everyone's on a phone.
So I'm not going to make Horsham this time.
My poor joints are cracking.
So then,
So they should order us a pizza.
That's what they're doing, they're all on to Domino's.
Nobody asked me for toppings. I want at least 2 slices. There's a problem with connection, they can place an order.
Seriously, you'll soon learn never travel on a train with me. I'm
Yeah,
always
but like-
cursed. Sorry. Just as well our ferries no tonight, eh?
Are you hungry?
I'm starving.
Wow.
Can't believe I'm saying that.
I've got tuna sandwich. I
Not
can
a
share with
chance.
you. How desperate are you?
Is this still Havant station?
Yep.
I haven't got a clue. Did you get it? You okay?
I don't know if I can handle your sense of humor in these circumstances.
good evening, ladies and gents. Once again, no update as to whether this train will be moving, but what I do have is the 700 service on Stagecoach is accepting Southern Railway tickets, so you could go down to Havant bus station and get the...
Oh no, what do we do?
I don't know
We have to make a
what to do.
decision.
You're the
I don't do
expert.
decisions.
You're a travelling expert.
Do we know when the next 700 bus is though? That's the question. I think we just get our stuff.
Just because everyone is going, but
There's nobody left.
our first class train journey will end up in the coach or local bus.
I've been on the railway for 6 years and I know what it's like.
Thanks, mate. We'll go and grab a bus.
I watched your video, you know the one when you did that night with the Everton 10 sounds? I watched that video, yeah, it's a good video that was. Yeah, but yeah, nice to meet you by the way.
Alright, cheers. Thank you. See you later. We're going to get lost and haven't.
That is what we are having right now.
They said they arranged the coach.
This is not exactly where we wanted to be tonight. And we've made it to beautiful Havant bus station. Now we need to find the 700. And it's going to be busy. Yeah, there's no 700 up there.
I don't know, it's showing me different bus stop. Bus departs 10:07.
But not from here.
I don't think so. Let's go and check the other one.
So it does go from here, but it's not on the board. Maybe they don't go on the board.
And it should be leaving just now, but
Alright.
yeah, on my app it says it's delayed to 7:10.
Oh, nothing is working now. It's actually pretty poor by Southern Rail, to be honest, because we were sitting on that train for almost an hour and a half, just sitting in Havant station, going nowhere. And they didn't even update the guys who were in the station, so they had no idea either. They haven't put on any replacement bus service, nothing. They've just told us to come down to the bus stop, wait for the 700 stagecoach, and that should accept our ticket.
The problem is, it will be probably just one bus showing up, so what if you have too many people?
I know, that's a full train. Well, not a full train, but
But
there was a lot of people on it. So much for our first class journey to Portsmouth, eh? Now a guy's just telling us we should maybe try and get bus number 23. It's actually annoying how we're just left to work this out for ourselves.
it's a mess.
Yeah, yeah, they understand, they've heard.
Thank you.
If you want to go to the end of the world, get on that one. I might try and hope. Hang on, when's your coach? To get the people from here, one bus or one coach.
We're trying to
Get every. And then it's on weekend.
Hello, do you go to Portsmouth? Yeah? Perfect, thanks. Tell you what, I'll be holding on to these tickets to claim our refund. This is it, folks, first class rail travel in the UK. Is that what still to do?
Yep.
23 to Southsea.
So grumpy.
A little bit.
345 quid. Thank you.
I think that's our hotel there.
Really? It's massive.
It says it's on the left, so maybe not.
Oh, that's ours.
That's our.
Not this. And what we should have been telling you at this point is 9 hours after leaving, we've made it to our hotel in Portsmouth. But now what we're saying is 12 hours after leaving, we've made it to the Royal Maritime Club.
It's a cute hotel. Look. I think it's nice.
There's a photo shoot going on in there.
It's because you're coming, that's fine. Very pretty.
426.
I know, but she told us the second floor.
Back down the stairs we go, I think. Unless through here, maybe. I'm not looking forward to what's behind this door. Lights, lights, lights. Ah, it's alright. That'll do the job. There's biscuits.
Yay!
And like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We've got 12 milks.
But you're all out of date. No, I'm joking, I didn't check yet. I'll have a biscuit.
And then another bedroom. Oh yeah, it is a full apartment. We've got a bath.
The surprise is that we share it with somebody else.
Imagine. And that's our view. It doesn't matter that it's not daylight at the moment, you don't want to see it.
Stephen is grumpy if you can't tell.
So there we go folks, that was our first class experience to Portsmouth. What did you think about that? We were going to go out for dinner tonight, but it's too late now. So I think we'll just rest and we'll go again tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Aha.
Well done.